Hey everybody, it is Friday, May 1st. For today, you have two chapters to read, chapters 27 and 28. Obviously, here's the PDF version of the story if you are reading it on your own. Here's Miss Anderson reading chapter 27, Miss Anderson reading chapter 28. That is all you have for today. Read two chapters. I hope you have a wonderful weekend. Take some time maybe to rest and get outside. Otherwise, get caught up on some of your work if you need to. Check Power School. Make sure you have your graded assignments turned in because that's what we're going to be looking for. All graded work to be turned in by May 8th. And then after that, we'll work with anybody that might need some remediation. If you are not quite caught up, we'll be working with people individually to get you caught up at that time, okay? So 1 week left of the story. We'll be doing two chapters a week next week. Actually, it's only one on Monday. Monday's going to be chapter 29 in the epilogue. And then we will have Online Learning Tuesday, a review Wednesday, and then Thursday will be the test. Friday will be allowing some retakes on that day. So that's kind of setting you up for next week. So we hope you have a wonderful weekend. Let us know if you need anything, and we'll be happy to respond. Have a great day. Bye.